Hey, what's up, Glow Gang? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I make my clear gloss, Basic Bxtch, which is available on my website. One of my best sellers, by the way. So now I'm just sanitizing my work area. About to lay some paper towels down so it'll be an easy cleanup once I'm done. Now I'm just sanitizing my hands before I actually put my gloves on. I grabbed everything off camera, but I will be explaining everything as the video goes on. Girl, if you don't hurry up and get them gloves on. Okay, all right, now it's time to start. First, I will be grabbing the TKB Trading Versagel Gloss Base and just squeezing however much I think I may need out into the bowl. I'm not really making that many tubes at the moment because I am kind of short on tubes. I'm waiting on some more to come in. But I use this bowl because I could always just put the lid on and just fill my tubes later. So it's good to use some bowls from Dollar Tree. Now I'm going in with the coconut oil. I always use the clear fractionated coconut oil, of course, because it's clear. You won't see it like other oils in your clear gloss. So you might be trying to make a clear gloss and you want to use all these different oils, and now your clear gloss is a tinted gloss. So I always just use fractionated coconut oil. That's the only oil I use while I make my Basic Bxtch gloss, because I love for my gloss to be completely clear. As you see, I am just adding a little bit of oil at a time to get the consistency of the gloss that I want. Versagel is a very thick gloss, but it don't take really much oil to break it down. So that's the reason why I am adding just a little bit at a time. I don't want it too loose, but I like for my clear gloss in particular to be a little bit looser than my other glosses, if that makes sense. So now I am taking my pipette and I am adding my peppermint oil. I love the way the peppermint oil feels on the lips. It gives it a nice cooling sensation. Love it. So now I'm just filling my syringe with the gloss so I can fill my tubes. So now I'm taking another pipette and I'm going to cut the end of it off in the middle of it. and I'm going to stick it onto the bottom of the syringe. Make sure it's in place because it will pop off while you're filling your tube, so make sure it's in place. So I'm taking my stopper, putting it in. You want to hold it over the bowl because it will leak out. And just fill the tube. Just a quick tip for filling wine tubes. You don't want to fill it up all the way. Leave like an inch before the top, because when you put your stopper in and you put that wine in there, it's going to make the stopper come out, which is going to cause your gloss to come out. So you do not want that mess. By the way, I just wanted to say all of my tubes are pre-washed and sanitized before I fill them. I would hope everybody doing that. I'm just saying. After I'm done, I take a napkin and I take some alcohol and I just wipe my tubes down. Now, I know a lot of people do gloss baths, but I'm scared that I'm going to get water in my tubes, so I do not do no gloss baths. I actually take just the alcohol on a napkin, paper towel, wipe them down. It takes the grease off just fine. So there you have it, how I make my clear gloss. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.